Hey guys, what's going on? Today is August, what's today, 4th? 4th, 2022. Going to a no AC call. Just says AC, not cooling. I don't know, I guess I'll figure it out when I get there, or I try to. I hope all is well. Let's see what it is. Hello, how you doing?
How's it going, guys?
What's going on?
No AC upstairs. Something's wrong with the handler. It's working, but it's just blowing hot air.
The air handler's blowing warm air? Okay, can we go upstairs and look at the airflow?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
All right. Sorry.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, buddy.
That's okay. Hey, baby.
Come on.
Come on. Go ahead.
Yeah, I know.
After you. No. When did it start happening?
Last night.
Okay. Have you checked the filter right here on the return?
Yeah, I did. I replaced it last night too, but it wasn't even dirty.
Oh.
The last time.
Yeah, well, you're in the living space all the time, right? So it's up here. Okay, so this guy's soaking wet. Look at my finger. Why do you make that weird sound, dude?
I don't know.
Comment to fan.
I should did too.
0. Okay. Comment to Herm. No, you were just doing Herm. Common to fan. There's common. Okay, 0. Now do common to Herm. Dead. Okay, so let's run to the truck, please.
Okay.
Grab a 45, 7.5. Let's comment to Herm now on the new one. $44.6. That's weird. It's brand new. Okay, so give me. This thing's weak. Do we have another one? All right, we got a different one.
So common to Herm.
Comment to Herm. Give it a second. Damn, 44.8. Okay. Comment to fan.
Common to fan.
7.5. We're looking for 7.47. You know why these are a little weak like that? We're gonna put this one in. It's not even a 1/10 of a point off or 100th of a point off, but because it's from China. 45, 7.5. 24 volts is pulled in. Get that back from me. I just want to, I'm going to test this, but I need my meter, please. Just put that in the box. Now we're going to check. We're going to check the microfarads while the system's running, the capacitor. So let's go to the Hvac scroll app. Voltage across common to Herm. No? Voltage, sorry. 349, check amperage. We're gonna go to amps. Check amp on the orange, on the Herm. Watch your hand. What do you have for amps? 5.
6.0.
6.0. And you have a 45. This amount of verification or variation is acceptable. Okay, so now let's check the fan. Comment to fan. What do you have? 349.6. Okay, so 349.6. Give me amps over your fan wire, which is the same as the Herm, but you're gonna go to amps there, and you're gonna put that on the brown wire instead. have? 0.96, 0.96, and the capacitance, we're looking for 7.5. This is acceptable as well. Okay, good. So now we're going to check the pressures, the refrigerant pressure and temperature. Check that for superheat. We're going to connect that here. About it. So we're going to let this run for about 15 minutes and make sure our subcooling comes up and it is moving heat. I know, it's good. Okay, so my coworker is checking the temperature of the supply, and we'll check the return. What's it down to already?
It's at 70.
That's not good.
It's dropping down by 5.
5? Come on. Oh, 0.5 you mean?
Yes.
So what's it at?
It's at 65 right now.
Wow. Okay.
What? Okay. You don't worry.
You got 59 there. Good. Okay, so now. Oh, 59.9 you said? All right, so 60. And it's 81 in here. It's 20 degrees. We're going to check the return temperature. Just grab the ladder, please. Okay, so 22 degrees. And it's just a high heat load in here. That's fine. We're going to go check. The gauges came back, and then I think there's going to be in good shape. Just put this ladder back for him, please. We're going to put this at 75 to bring it down like 5 degrees at a time. And I'll tell him to bring it down later. Okay. He's cute. What'd you say?
G plus. So gold plus.
It says RJ.
Yeah.
Good. That means it's. Can I please have the caps? Thank you. All right, guys, that's a quick capacitor change. Customer called with no AC. We got here. He thought it was something inside, but the fan was running. We went up to the attic, checked out the unit, checked the filter. He just changed it yesterday, I think he said, or last week. I think he said yesterday, but it's clean. Came out to the condenser, found the capacitor swollen and wet, dead, flat dead. And my coworker ran and got a 45.7.5. We replaced it, checked amps, checked volts, checked pressures, but everything's working well. Temp split's good. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day and enjoy this weather. It's beautiful in New York State.